everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing well and safe. Today it's going to be a contact lens try-on video. I have only one pair to test out today, but this is a brand that I've never tried. I recently just reviewed the Aliexpress contact lenses. Those contact lenses give you that doll eyes effect, and I actually ended up liking that. That is actually the contact lenses I used for the past couple of videos. I ordered the one without the black ring around the eyes, so it won't make my iris look big. So I just want to keep the original size of my iris, but then have like colored contact lenses on. The brand that I'm going to be talking about today is the Freshlady soft contact lenses. And this is how their box looks like. Super nice holographic box, and I am so in love with anything holographic. I just like the packaging. It's very presentable. I got mine for only 148 pesos. 148 pesos for a pair of contact lenses. Like, what more can you ask for? 2020 to 2025. It shows you the expiration date. It also says here that the main material of this contact lenses is Hema, and I think it's the same for most contact lenses. I think you can use these contact lenses for a year or half a year, but this is definitely not one of those 3 months used contact lenses. Okay, so by the way, I'm not wearing any contact lenses on. This is my natural eye color. The original grade of my eyes is -4.75 and -4.25. And for the past few months, I have been using the correct contact lenses for my grade. But I don't know why, but I feel dizzy when I'm using the correct grade for my eyes. Recently, I purchased contact lenses from Aliexpress, and I had no choice but to get like a pair of the same grade because they didn't have the option to buy lenses for broken grade, meaning like eyes with 2 different grades. So I ended up buying one set of -4.25. I was really shocked that for the first time in so long, I can see super clear. It's super comfortable. I didn't feel dizzy at all. I feel so good wearing it. I can wear it the whole day without feeling dizzy or anything. When I wear contact lenses with the original grade on my eyes, I just feel super dizzy. With both -4.25 on, I'm completely okay with that. This is also 4.25, as you can see right here. 4.25. And I'm very comfortable wearing this grade, so we're gonna see if it's just the Aliexpress brand or this is also going to be comfortable. I'm really happy that they gave me an extra contact lens case because when I got the box, I actually didn't know that they gave me a free contact lens case. I was about to throw the bubble wrap, and then I saw that they gave me a case. I was really thinking, where am I gonna put these new lenses? So this is the pair of contact lenses. If you guys are wondering, this is how their packaging looks like, and at the back you will see the color. I got the shade Honolulu, and I think really goes well with the color because it's like an ocean blue green color. It's like a, oh my gosh, this is the kind of contact lenses I like wearing without the black around the iris. Also going to be using the contact lens tools that I got from the Aliexpress set right here. So I got the thong here and this tool that you use to apply your contact lenses. It's a bit hard to open, but that's normal because it's nice that it's really safely sealed. The glue that seals this is so strong. Okay, so here we already opened the first one, and then I'm gonna transfer that with the thong. I used to never... Okay, thanks. Green. We're gonna see it on my eyes now. No, it's like blue, like ocean color.
You like?
Super. So I'm gonna I'm gonna transfer the contact lenses with this thong now. I used to use my fingers to pick up the contact lenses, but lately I don't. I used to never use these tools, but for sanitary reasons I use them now. So this is the second one. Here, I actually really love the color of this. It's like ice, ocean blue color, super nice. I was going to put this right here. Honestly, I used to be scared of this stick right here that you use for applying your contact lenses, but when I learned how to use this, it's actually a lot easier and more sanitary than using your fingers. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that looks so different. Guys, this is Honolulu. Honestly, looks so beautiful. It's kind of shocking. This is definitely not the usual lens that I'm used to. I usually wear gray, a light gray, but this one looks super light. It almost makes me look like a different person. Like, look at that. Look at this and the difference. And it actually feels so comfortable. This one also feels extremely comfortable. Like, I can't even feel it on my eyes. So this is the before and after, you guys. This. Oops. I always need to remind myself to be careful. I dropped my lenses once on the floor, and that was the last time I saw that lenses because I threw it in the garbage. It feels super comfortable. Just like the LE Cool contact lenses. Guys, this is the shade Honolulu. If you're gonna ask me, this is a really beautiful color. This is probably the prettiest lenses that I have right now, but honestly, I think this looks a little bit unnatural for me. This is probably my favorite lenses out of all. Plus, I love the size of it. It didn't make my iris look big. It's very similar to the gray lenses that I wear, but it's kind of unnatural to wear on a daily basis. Like, this is not something I would wear in public just because it's super intense, very daring as compared to the contact lenses that I use. The only lens color that I wear is usually just a gray. It looks like ocean ice, and I just remember Billie Eilish song. Yeah, definitely ocean ice with this one, and the design looks so realistic. I'm gonna zoom you guys in, like super close. Like, the design looks so realistic. The print in the lenses looks like real eyes. And some contact lenses might look super fake, especially some of those dull eyes that make your eyes look big and it has a print that looks super fake. I don't like that. I really don't like that at all. But with this, like, from afar, no one will even know that you're wearing contact lenses. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this color. If you're looking for an ocean color, you're definitely going to love this. I needed this color of contact lenses for so many times when I wanted to, like, do makeup transformations. Like, I wanted to do Billie Eilish, but I don't have blue eyes. So now I can do Billie Eilish makeup transformation. I really do recommend it. So far, it feels very comfortable. It feels very comfortable. I have no complaints so far. The grade is perfect. I'm not dizzy or anything. I can see myself on my viewfinder very clear. I can see super clear on my right eye, and then I can see super clear on my left. Okay, so now let's talk about where you can get this, the price. Okay, I got this from Shopee. I'm gonna tell you guys the shop name and the price if my phone will let me. The internet is not working right now. Okay, so here you go. I got the contact lenses from the shop called Freshlady1.ph, and this is an overseas seller. This got 176 sales already on Shopee with a lot of 5 stars. This shop has so many contact lenses, and all of their contact lenses are super affordable. They sell the one for big eyes. They have like transparent lenses also without color, and then they have graded and not graded lenses. They have a lot of choices, guys. Like, they even have this really colorful lenses, like rainbow lenses. This is something that I don't think I'm gonna try ever, but it already sold 391 rainbow cosplay lenses. Wow. And the funny thing about these overseas sellers is that they have such a long title or description for each of the products. I think it actually works. Oh my gosh, this one looks so scary. Look at that. It's like this. That's the print. Literally polka dot print. But that's the effect that you're gonna get. Never gonna try that. Probably for Halloween. Why not? This is the title of the lenses that I got. Freshlady 1 pair. 2 pieces cherry Honolulu graded big eye makeup contact lens soft. So it's such a long title, and then I don't know why they put cherry there. Like, what does cherry have to do with these lenses? 14.5 millimeter, water content 42, and you can use this for 1 year. So that's a good thing. You can use this for 1 year. It's not one of those like disposable lenses that you can use just for 3 months. You can use this for a year, so that's a long time, and by that time probably bored with this color already. So nice. Like, I can't stop looking at my eyes right now, and I can't wait to do like makeup transformation of celebrities like Billie Eilish. I have different colors now for different makeup looks. I have a brown, I have a green, I have like a dark coffee color. What else do I have? I have a gray, of course. That's all I have. Let me know who celebrity with the same eye color do you want me to do like a makeup tutorial on. Like, if I were to do a makeup transformation for a celebrity, which celebrity with blue eyes do you guys recommend? Let me know in the comment section down below. I got mine for only 148 pesos. 148 pesos for a pair of contact lenses. Like, what more can you ask for? No complaints, no cons. I only have good things to say about these lenses. You guys know any other contact lens brand? I'm planning to collect contact lenses because very soon I'm planning to do makeup transformation videos. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys again next time.